See, in this world, each and every person are interconnected with each other. So, whenever you are telling something bad against someone in front of someone, anyhow, one day that person will know that you have told something bad against him or her. Okay? And without your knowledge, that person maybe was a fan of you, or you both were friends, or you both were respecting each other. Later one day that person will know that you have told something bad and against about that person. What will happen? Then you will lost your well-wisher, even you will lose your friend, isn't it? That's why will you tell something wrong against anyone? Who are you to judge anybody? Isn't it? We are not judged. Maybe he has done something wrong or she has done something wrong. You can't say because for which reason she or he did the same. Why are you telling like this? Stop doing all these works. Okay.